it from her mama. I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is polite. Done be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Holding hoochies left and right. I just wanna put in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. I say where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, well, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game go stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Trying to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I It's okay right here. It's okay right. Okay right here. It's okay right. It's okay right here. It's okay right. Okay right here. It's okay right. It's okay right here. It's okay right. Okay right here. It's okay right. It's okay right. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's okay right. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay right.
Tell a bitch who why. Tell a bitch who why.
Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat it.
Who why.
Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat it. Don't just supreme, that's why.
Who why. Tell a bitch who why. Step up in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop the Dior shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my Jura. Hating bitches block my Madura. I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot a essay, them in my Jura. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean, don't cheat supreme, that's why. Who why? Freaky little, sneaky little, creepy little whack bitch. Creeping on me, speaking on me, sleeping on me mattress. Now I got some bands to burn and bars to bend them backwards. It's time to wake them up cause they been sleeping on the track list. Body so attractive, y'all be giving catfish. Log them off the web and every gangster's giving actress. Gangsters giving actress and all these fake activists. Leave me baffled, bewildered, relax a bit. Let me relax a bit, I think I need to pull it off. I put some pep up in my step and then I do it up. I try my cutlery and hit my ruler up.
Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean. Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean. Don't just supreme.
Tell a bitch who why. Tell a bitch who why.
Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the.
Who why.
Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the. Don't cheat the dime, don't.
Tell a bitch who why.
Don't cheat the dime, don't cheat the dean. Don't just supreme, that's why.
Who why. Tell a bitch who why.
On the face, no, no. Don't run away, don't run away. No, these days all for you, great, it's okay.
tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gon' be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and case we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Baby, we ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. We ain't gon' last, baby. Your intuition has been telling you things that you never knew. Rubbing shoulders with bitches I used to put on pedestals, but still I keep it professional. Laying in the bed and you acting like I can't even touch you. I don't know why you do that. Shower with the door open while you do that. Drop the towel right in front of me, you cruise. Going on, baby. Talk to me, baby. Say it to me straight. Then I make a mistake and I can't concentrate while you're standing there naked. Acting strange, yeah. Something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 And something tells me we ain't gon' last, baby. 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 My intuition has been telling me. Trust what you said to me. You ain't never really felt love till you slept with me. I'm busy, it's no wonder you upset with me.
So these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss. I make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club just to party, I'm there, I get paid to peak. I be in and out them banks so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, what bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say ghosts, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill with some babe, I might just chill with some food, I might just spill on your bed. My pussy feel like a lake, he wanna sit with his face. I'm like okay, I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent, and the new whip, when it go fast as a horse. I got the trunk in the front, I'm the hottest in the street. Know you probably heard of me, got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes know it ain't cheap, and I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me, they baby father wanna bill. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Don't you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand above my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, she dip. I say, I get the money and go, this shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold, tell that little bitch play her role. I just don't roll for no rolls, I just came up in no rave. I need to fill up the tank, no I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of they niggas is safe. I go to dinner and steak, only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace, now it's the crib with the day. Only got charms, the life off the face. Hard to let these bitches know, just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check the mail, another check on all the stop. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves.
Jerome Fandle.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God, this these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning their life. Still love and still love. And still love and still love. Still love. Still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. You wait. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever, and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. God, these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning their life. Still love and still love. And still love and still love. Still love. Still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't eat and sleep at 9 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel wrong again. Can't beat them, just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me.
This is the hero. It's a 12-inch. I want it to look like a bob, curly bob type look, so that's exactly why I got a 12-inch. But it's very much long if you stretch it out. But this is how it looks. I did my edges off camera because I needed to focus on how I wanted to do my edges. Because, yeah. But I did like a little curly thing, a little curly piece. That's how I normally do my edges anyways. I hope it looks good. Keep that in mind. This is the first time I install a wig. So, yeah. I think I did okay. Out of 1 out of 10, I think I did a 8.5 to be real with myself. But since I did it, it's 100, period. Since I did it, it's a 100 out of 10. But to be real with myself, I did like a 8.5 out of 10. It's not bad, but it's not perfect. Let me show y'all. It kind of look ashy, but alright. So this is how it looks. I did my edges off camera. I'm gonna rock a middle part, and this is like my birthday hairstyle. How y'all feeling it? I was thinking about doing a side part in the beginning, but I didn't really like how the side of the wig looked because
there's mad people over here, man.
It wasn't fitting my head how I wanted to. I feel like the wig is kind of too small on the side, so to cover that I had to do a middle part. But anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, comment down below if you like this hairstyle.
I went hunting somebody
Your
down.
girl is out.